Hello student, in this video we are going to see problem based on superposition theorem. So find the value of current flowing through 2 ohm resistor. So we have to find current through this 2 ohm resistor by a superposition theorem. So first we have to find how many sources are acting in this circuit. So here are 40 volt, 20 volt and 10 volt are acting in this circuit. So here are 3 voltage source. So we have to solve 3 circuit diagram by applying voltage source acting alone and other voltage source are replaced by their internal resistance. That means short circuit. Solution: when 40 volt source acting alone and other sources are represented by their internal resistance. So what will be the circuit diagram? It is 40 volt 5 ohm resistor and this 20 volt is short circuited. Again 10 ohms 2 ohm resistor and this 10 volt is short circuit. Now we will solve this circuit by a mesh analysis. So first assume this mesh current is I1 and this mesh current is I2. Apply KVL in mesh 1. So it will be a 40 minus 5I1 minus 10 I1 minus I2 equal to 0. So if you solve it, it will be a 15 I1 plus 10 I2 equal to minus 40. So it is our first equation. Now apply KVL in mesh 2. So what is the equation? It is minus 10 I2 minus I1 minus 2 I2 equal to 0. So if you solve this circuit, the equation is 10 I1 minus 12 I2 equal to 0. So it is our second equation. Now solve simultaneous equation 1 and 2 in a calculator. You will get I1 equal to 6 ampere and I2 equal to 5 ampere. Now I2 is current flowing through this 2 ohm resistor. So we will take I2 dash, which is current flowing through this 2 ohm resistor, equal to 5 ampere current due to 40 volt source acting alone in this circuit. When 20 volt source acting alone into the circuit. So what is the circuit diagram? Now this 40 volt will short circuit this 5 ohm resistor. Apply 20 volt into the circuit. 10 ohm resistor, this is, and 20 volt 2 ohm resistor, and this 10 volt is short circuit. So this is the circuit diagram when 20 volt is acting alone in the circuit and other sources are represented by their internal resistance. Assume this mesh current is I1 and this mesh current is I2. So apply KVL in mesh 1. So equation is minus 5 I1 minus 20 minus 10 I1 minus I2 equal to 0. Now if you simplify it, it will be a minus 15 I1 plus 10 I2 equal to 20. So this is our first equation in this circuit. Now apply KVL in mesh 2. So it is minus 10 I2 minus I1 minus 2 I2 equal to 0. Now if you simplify it, you will get a 10 I1 minus 12 I2 equal to 0. So it is our second equation in this circuit. Solve equation 1 and 2 in a calculator. You will get I1 equal to minus 3 ampere and I2 equal to minus 2.5 ampere. So I2 is nothing but the current flowing through this 2 ohm resistor. So this I2 in this circuit you will take as a I2 double dash equal to minus 2.5, which is a current flowing through 2 ohm resistor in this circuit diagram, and 20 volt is acting alone. When 10 volt source is acting alone in this circuit diagram and other sources are represented by their internal resistance. What is the circuit diagram? Now this 40 volt is short circuit, 5 ohm resistor, 20 volt is again short circuit, 10 ohm resistor, and then 2 ohm resistor, and this 10 volt is applied here. Now consider this current I1 is in the mesh 1 and this current I2 is in the mesh 2. So apply KVL in mesh 1 in this circuit diagram. So it is minus 5 I1 minus 10 I1 minus I2 equal to 0. So now simplification of this equation is minus 15 I1 plus 10 I2 equal to 0. First equation in this circuit diagram. Now apply KVL in mesh 2. It is minus 10 I2 minus I1 minus 2 I2 plus 10 equal to 0. So what is the simplification of this equation? It is 10 I1 minus 12 I2 equal to minus 10. So this is our second equation in this circuit diagram. Now solve equation 1 and equation 2. In calculator you will get I1 equal to a 1.25 ampere and I2 equal to a 1.875 ampere, and I2 is nothing but current flowing through this 2 ohm resistor. So we will assign I2 as a I2 triple dash equal to 1.875 ampere. Now according to the superposition theorem, the resultant current in any element is the algebraic sum of current that would be produced by each independent source acting alone. So what is the resultant current through I2? It is I2 is I2 dash, which is by 40 volt source, plus I2 dash dash, which is by 20 volt source, plus again this I2 triple dash, which is by 10 volt source. So I2 dash is how much? It is 5 ampere and I2 double dash is minus 2.5 ampere plus I2 triple dash is this current, it is 1.875 ampere. So total current is 4.375 ampere. So total current flowing through 2 ohm resistor is, which is I2, equal to 4.375 ampere. So it is our required answer.